Quite often we'll feature a slider on the front page of a website to highlight services or products or give a quick visual overview of what your site's about. The system that powers this that you can see here is called C-Slider, and if I just log into the dashboard of this website, you'll see that it appears here under Slider. So if we click on the slider section, you'll see we have two slides set up here, and we'll click onto one of these just so you can see the 4 parts that make up a slide. Those are the title of the slide, slide 2, the featured image that's in the slide, which can sometimes appear over in this column here, the subcaption that you want to appear, and the address that that subcaption should link to. They're not always set up exactly like this, but this is usually as much as we'll put in. You might sometimes find on custom sites there might be an extra box here or whatever, or maybe one taken away. In this case though, it's just a total standard slider. If we go back to the front end of the site, you'll see our images are actually quite large here, but quite often they're wider. Quite often they'll take up the whole screen, and in that case our system will automatically crop them to fit, so you can upload it to any size. The only issue with automatic cropping is if you've got an image like this one, say, then when it crops to the middle, it might sometimes crop to this section here, which obviously isn't ideal there. It's actually not too bad on that one, but you might get to the smaller one, you might end up kind of, ending up with an image like this or similar, which obviously isn't so great. So in that case, if you're able to crop your images down before uploading them to roughly the right shape, it can help. However, for this demonstration, we'll just add a new slide to the system and see how it works. So you add a new slide by clicking on Add New. And then you just drop your details into here. So third test slide. We'll set a featured image here, and we'll just grab one of our existing pictures here. Click on Set Featured Image. Give it a caption. This is another slide. Give it a URL. Always with the HTTP in front of it, by the way. And when you're happy with it, just click on Publish. That's all there is to it. And what we'll do is we'll just go across to the actual site and we'll refresh it, and there's our first slide, second slide, and there's our third slide, and it's formatted everything perfectly for us, and it's put the image in place. So if you just go back to our slides here, if you want to remove a slide from that list, all you need to do is just click on Trash or Bin, and it'll take it away just the same as it would with any post type. You see, we're just back down to 2 slides now, and jobs are good.